I can't open it. Hi everyone, I am here with Bob and Neva, and we are going to do another week of Try Something New Tuesday. This one is themed after Trader Joe's. I thought I'd put on invite Bob because I felt like he felt left out last week. So we're going to start. We're going to start with the quinoa and black bean tortilla chips from Trader Joe's. I got these because I recently bought Mama Salsas from, she's a local maker in North Carolina, and we got the avocado and lime salsa. So I wanted some chips to go with it. Oh my gosh. Babe, can you open this for me? My thumb hurts. Well, while Sugarface opens this, we're gonna move on to okra. I googled dogs can have a little bit of okra, so they're probably open, right? Yeah. Okay, so these, oh my gosh. Hey, down.
These smell good.
They smell good. Okay. These look dehydrated. The ingredients are okra, rice bran oil, and salt. So it's hardly any ingredients. It's a little crowded in our tasting table. Okay. Stay. Stay. Not yet. Nope, not yet. Let's try it at the same time. Okay, ready? Go. Go ahead, Bob. Stay here. Come here. All right, well, we lost a member. What do you think, Bob? Is it tasty? I mean, Bob, Neva. She liked it. Okay, we're going back to the chips. Thanks to Sugarface for opening this bag. Come on, Bob. You gotta join the team. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Wait. Wait for me. Wait. This also is not for you. Hey. Okay, stay. They smell really good. They smell super fried. Kind of like wonton chips. Mmm. Okay, with the salsa is really good. I'm gonna try it myself. These are very good. Again, hardly any ingredients, which I love. Quinoa, black beans, garlic powder, onion powder, sea salt, trace of lime. Let's give the dogs one more. I love the sound of dogs munching on chips. Alright. I'm gonna try mango. It's a fruit and yogurt gummy candies. All natural flavors. I also love their, they used to, I don't know if they still have it, but they have gummies with penguins on them. And they have a little bit of filling in the bellies. I used to be obsessed with them. I don't know why I can't open anything. I sprained my thumb. My assistant will open the bag for me. And then I also got everything but the bagel nut duel, which kind of cracks me up. I'm not sure if dogs can have almonds and cashews. I forgot to Google, so we're just going to give them the dog treats. All right. Fruit and yogurt gummy candies. They're not very well behaved today. They're a little chewy. I love my gummies a little softer than this, but the flavor is really good. Okay. You guys can have. I can't share these.
Don't give dogs almonds.
Okay. No nuts for the doggies. All right, I'm just gonna bite into it.
It says cashews aren't that bad, but don't give them a bunch.
Uh-oh. Well, Bob just tasted one. This is a little bit more chaotic than our first episode. Jump on. Well, I tried the nuts. I also got, because I figured not all the things I got from Trader Joe's will be dog friendly, I also got dog treats. And it has peanut butter and banana, grain free, so you feel great. Apparently, I hear grain is good for the dogs a little bit. But if you're worried about carbs, peanut butter and banana treats. Why? Okay. Guys, you gotta calm down and stop drilling on me. I'm all slimed. Quick. Wait. 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 Good boy. Wait. 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 You know how to wait. Wait, Neva. Neva, wait. Good girl. Stay. Alright. No, not yet. Let me get some nuts in my hands. Good boy. No, Neva. Okay, so I have 2 almonds and 2 cashews. You guys, you can go ahead. Go ahead. These are wonderful. I kind of already knew I would love these because I love the everything but the bagel seasoning. Nice and salty. They're glazed. So your dad said you can have cashews, so we're just gonna give you half a cashew. Yum. Okay, so we've gone through 4 treats. The chips, which I love, I would order them again, or not order them, but buy them again. These I probably won't get just because they're a little chewy for me. I love them a little softer, but I think generally if you like mangoes and yogurt, you'd love these. Bob just stole a couple of treats. I'm gonna give. And then I think the dogs love the peanut butter and banana flavored treats. The okra was really nice. And then the last thing we're gonna try, I'm gonna actually shoo the dogs away. It's actually in the oven right now. Is the Kung Pao chicken mochi balls. So these come in packs of 8 balls. They're Kung Pao chicken wrapped in mochi flour. I've never tried them before. They're a little high maintenance because I'm so used to just being able to stir. Bob just stole some more treats. I'm not even paying attention. Bad dogs. So they're in the oven right now, and I will pop back on with you guys without the dogs and tell you more about them. Whew, what a chaotic second episode. Down, Bob. Tell them bye. Give them a shake. Shake. Bye. These are the Kung Pao mochi balls. They're a little golden brown. I put them in for, they said 16 to 20 minutes. I think I did about 18. And we're gonna let them rest for 3 minutes. I only did 2 balls just to taste. Okay, they've cooled some. I'm gonna go ahead. Ow, it's already hurting my fingers. So these are, again, the Kung Pao mochi balls. I love these. I've only had the dough, but the dough had a little bit of Kung Pao juices and I love them. Okay, I was a little skeptical at first because I was like, oh, this is a lot of waiting around when you're hungry. It's like a 20-minute and then you gotta wait for the oven to reheat, but these are good. I'm gonna try to tear them apart so you can see. They're not very filled, but they're still pretty tasty. They kind of remind me of... These are what they look like inside. I could go for a little bit more filling. And And that's me burning my mouth as I chew. Sugarface covered the mic. And that's it for me for this week. We'll see you next week. I think I've talked Sugarface into joining me next week. So instead of these unruly dogs, it'll be me and another human. If you'd like to see more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Thank you.